Hello, Honors Chem students. Mr. Keister here with you again. This is the video for Monday, October 12th, 2020, which is our scheduled 37th day of school for the fall semester. Always keep in mind, though, the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons and the order that those lessons are presented will remain the same regardless. Let's take a look at the do-nows and see what our schedule is today. Once again, this is just going to be a very short intro video where I go over the do-nows for Honors Chem, and that will be it. And then you will go on to the video for the actual lesson, which is a lesson I gave about a month ago in Chem 2. I talked about all that on Friday. We're going to be doing that for a while now. So don't worry yourself about, any references made to Chem 2 or the unit number or the date or anything like that, because that's not going to match up. But the lesson itself will be exactly the same. That's all that's important. Chem 2 is about a month ahead of you guys, based on the order of things I do in there, as I mentioned Friday. So when I get done with this intro and you go to that lesson, you may skip ahead about the first 4 minutes and 5 seconds, right in there somewhere. You can skip ahead to about that much, because that will then take you through, take you past the do-nows that I did in Chem 2. No use in you watching those, because it has nothing to do with you. So you skip ahead about the first 4 minutes and 5 seconds. That's about where the actual lesson begins. That's where you want to start. Okay? So now let's look at the do-nows. So today you're picking up two things: the periodic table and atomic mass, which is page 58, and the practice quiz. Actually, I'm not going to have you pick up the practice quiz. I'll hand that out the last few minutes of class today. So from Friday, you had a bunch of stuff that you picked up and a bunch of stuff to do over the weekend. So let's talk about that. So your first homework for today was to complete the atomic theory history assignment. As I said Friday, that is due now. I'm collecting it for a grade. So if you're here in school, it should already be on my desk. If you're home, you need to submit it to me electronically during your scheduled class period. Of course, the answer key is here on the board. It's also posted in Canvas on the answer keys page. That was done by 7 a.m. this morning. Your additional homework for today was to work on memorizing the 39 elements for tomorrow's real quiz. You were to watch the 7 videos that I had uploaded to Canvas and the calendar regarding the scientists and their discoveries. You were to complete the Unit 3 handout, History of the Atomic Model, and you are to take the Open Note Unit 3 Atomic Theory History Reading and Research Quiz in Canvas. All right? In Canvas. So the handout I'm not collecting, but you needed to have that thing filled out, or you need to have that thing filled out before you take that quiz in Canvas. All right, so hopefully if you've already taken that quiz, you did all that work prior to taking it. All right, so I'm not collecting the handout, but I do have the answer key posted on the backboard in Canvas for that. All right, okay, let me advance the screen here. And as I just mentioned, your final homework for today was to complete the Unit 3 Atomic History Reading and Research Quiz in Canvas. If you haven't done it yet, it is due today by 3:30 p.m. All right, 3:30. That's the deadline. That's when it's shutting down. If you haven't taken it by then, it'll be a 0. You won't have any time to take it in class today. So hopefully you've either already done it over the weekend or you have some other time to do it today during the day. But it needs to be done before 3:30. So today we're going to go over a quick review of the scientists and their contribution to the current atomic model. We'll then go over how to read and interpret basic information off the periodic table regarding atomic number, average atomic mass, isotopes, and subatomic particles. The assignment that you picked up today, you are to do numbers 1, 2, and 3 only for tomorrow. 1, 2, and 3 only. All right. We'll get to the rest of that tomorrow with tomorrow's lesson. So then the last thing today, we'll have a quick practice quiz near the end of class over the symbols of the 39 elements that you were to memorize. Just to let you know where you stand on that. The real quiz will be tomorrow. So that concludes this intro to today. October 12th. And now you are to go to the actual lesson video, which again was already done in Chem 2. So you can skip ahead the first 4 minutes or so and get straight to the lesson. All right. So until next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. Stay safe. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Stay focused. Keep working hard. Catch you next time. So long.